What you doing out here?
Why you cried?
I can't. We're going to the pool. Yes.
You cry, baby?
Please go, you guys. I can't. We're going to a pool. Yeah,
That's why you text me that.
Yeah.
Mommy, please go. Mommy, mommy, please go down with the pool.
Go say hi to Titi.
Mommy,
Yeah, but if you don't say hi.
I can't. I made this one.
And the other surprise, we going to the pool.
I can't. I made you a slime.
A few moments later.
Baby, are you having fun? You having fun? Yeah? Who you with? With Titi Cheska?
we're the Castillo and we need to play.
Oh, wait.
Like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications. And subscribe, what should we do next? Please, guys, we love you. I'm driving. 3, 2, 1.
Aubrey, don't cheat. Don't cheat. Wow. Good job, baby.
How did we do before? Exactly, so cool.
The next day.
Hey, Castillo family, bless. Yes, 7-Eleven. And today we're doing a challenge. Well, we're gonna eat breakfast, but we're gonna grab it in 3 minutes.
And it's early in the morning, so we're going to eat breakfast.
It's oh my god, so early. I don't wanna go back yet. So we're gonna set the timer. So
Let's go, guys. Let's do it. 3 minutes. For no running.
I think. Oh, but it has shrimp. I'm gonna do the shrimp.
Breakfast. Breakfast.
You guys shrimp?
Breakfast.
No, wait. I got fruit and cereal. But wait, I gotta get.
That's breakfast, right?
Yes.
All right.
But wait, I don't know.
That doesn't look like it's breakfast, sir.
Got it. I got cereal, donuts, and milk. So I can use this milk for cereal and donuts.
Okay, smart.
I got donut and
All right. Don't.
Sugar?
Yeah.
I did.
For lunch, you could get snacks and obviously lunch. But we got breakfast stuff.
Oh, yeah. I think I'm.
We got milk in the house, guys.
I can put the milk back. Okay.
Guys, time is up. Time's is up.
I'm gonna get something. Kim, I want to.
Boop. Are you guys dying for today? All right.
These are cold because this fruit in the milk.
All right. So let's take it to the cashier.
Good chicken.
A few moments later.
Hey, Castillo family, bless. All right, guys. Today's challenge is that we are gonna be going to the gas station 24 hours. That means all day.
We already did
So-
breakfast, so we're gonna do lunch, then dinner.
Breakfast, lunch, and dinner.
Dinner.
And snacks through them, you know, and see what gas station we gonna go. So stay tuned.
Racetrack. Let's go.
I don't know. Let's see.
Hey guys, so we made it to the second location to racetrack. Alright guys, so come on in. Oh wait, we need a timer.
2, 1. All right, guys, ready? Go.
Alright guys, I got pizza, Coca-Cola, and some chips. What should I get? I already got pizza.
Wait, I want some to drink.
Guys, should I leave my Coke for slushie? No, I'm gonna keep my Coca-Cola.
What's going on, Joveris?
I got popcorn.
Time is clicking.
No.
Time's up, guys. Time's up. You got time out. All right, let's go to the cashier now.
I go get a sign, so I get a sign because you don't want to, make a mess of sign.
Lunch at the ice.
Alright guys, so we're at the final destination. We're at Wawa.
Yeah.
Let's put
Jessica, let's go.
Francesca.
Oh my god.
Yep, not here. We're gonna get ice cream somewhere else.
What?
Food.
You want those stuff? Okay, Maya. What's this?
What you got, baby? Ooh, chicken strip. Hi, guys. Good appetite. Buen provecho. Enjoy. Hey guys, so we are finally done with the gas station, and we end up coming to get ice cream, and we're here with the family, and the rest family's over here.
Yes.